One of my favourite quotes is Einstein's one, that no problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. I believe that's really true. We have so many problems in the world today that need to be solved using a new way of thinking and collaboration. Creative HQ's School of Innovation is all about offering immersive learning experiences so that we can build 3 C's: capability, connections and confidence in innovation. Not only do we provide innovation tools and activities to help organisations tackle their own challenges, we also believe in challenging the mindset and introducing different ways for organisations to collaborate. We've worked with a diverse range of organisations so far across Aotearoa, New Zealand, as well as overseas. We've worked with local and central government, startups, corporations, social enterprises and educational institutions. We offer a range of programs, certificate programs as well as bespoke programs to help organisations build their capability. I'm excited that Creative HQ's School of Innovation can be part of that solution by empowering people and organisations to fully realise their potential, to tackle challenges that really matter through innovation, collaboration and a new mindset.